you're really going through it right now, and your job's gone to nothing, you keep getting rejected, every door that you seem to go through stays stuck, it just will not open no matter what you try and do, and your whole life is just actually just looking like pretty much a shit show. It might look that way from the outside in, but what if I was to tell you that everything that you're going through, all the challenges, all the rejections, is actually pointing you in the right direction? And it's hard for somebody that's actually going through it, no matter what that might be, to actually find the knowledge and the wisdom to understand that this is for our highest good. And everything that is turning to shit right now is pointing us in a direction that we should be going in. For me, myself, I've been through it. Been through the addictions, been through the losses, been through the heartbreak. But behind it all, there's valuable lessons and new directions that is pointing us in. See, we can either stay down and stay stuck, or we can start moving through it and asking ourselves, what is this trying to teach us? Like, there's more. There's more to all this. It's not a case of misfortunate events, one after the other, and that the universe is actually just playing tricks with us. It's all being demolished so new life can begin. And once we can get that in our knowing that all this is by design, all the shit that is happening to us in our lives was all there for us to grow and for us to learn. So whether you're coming from addictions, losses, heartbreak, whatever it might be, although you can't see it right now, there is bigger meaning behind it all. We can easily spiral further down and tell ourselves that we're not good enough, that we're not worthy enough, and that I lost that job because obviously people are better at it than me, whatever it might be, or the girlfriend walks or the boyfriend walks, and you start questioning your own worth, when really you were probably meant for better than that. Your situation of life is better than all that shit, but you get stuck in the mental loop of telling yourself that you're not worthy, that I'm always being left, I'm always being abandoned. And in actual fact, this is all happening to build strength for you. You do have a decision to keep playing into these cycles, and you do have a decision where you can pull yourself out and start moving back up. Ultimately, the decision is yours. Every single person walking this earth has free will. They can decide whether they choose to keep playing into the same cycles, the same routines, and then ultimately getting the same results over and over again. Or you can take the lessons from what you're actually going through right now and turn it into something incredible. So if something found you in this video, or what I've just said, and lights that spark back inside of you, then use that today. Use that today to start climbing back up. Staying stuck is a choice. Yes, we're going to be down. Yes, we're going to be out for a period of time, but it's down to us to pull ourselves back up, dust off the dirt, and go back at it. Okay, let's use this shit time and light the fire within. We can start building today. That idea, that dream, that goal that was ultimately put away because we were too involved with chasing somebody else or buried in a job that never really served us anyway. And that dream and that passion never even got started. So each and every person is walking their own journey. But What if now's the time for you to start acting on that dream, that desire, that passion project? Because I can tell you that there's no better time than today to start moving, where you can start creating, you can start building that business. Businesses that have taken 10 years to build can be built in a fraction of the time with the tools that we have today. And the door is wide open for those people who want to take advantage. So if you have watched this video till now, this is a reminder to you that you're not lost, you're not stuck. And if you move today and start acting instead of procrastinating and playing the victim mode, you can start building something special today. And that's ultimately why I built this channel, to try and help people that have really been through it, to give them a sense of direction, not with stuff that's going to keep them stuck, stuff that they can use today and start implementing and start building out their dreams, building out their lives, starting that business, because that's what I had to do. So that's what I want to share with you today, and anyone that subscribes to me, that's what I'm here for. So you're doing better than what you know, so please stop playing the victim, playing that endless loop in your mind that I'm always behind, everyone else seems to be moving forward but me, I'm always getting left, no one likes me, whatever it might be, whatever the thought might be. Just stop it today. Change the way that you're talking to yourself and things will start shifting. So if this video did make any sense to you today or resonate with you, please give a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.